light in your eyes, but it blinded me to your lies. You gaslight me, twist reality.
There are endless songs about breakups, heartbreak, and toxic love. But almost no one writes music about pathological abuse. The kind that gaslights your reality, turns love into a weapon, and leaves you questioning your sanity behind closed doors. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and I create survivor music, not to sing about heartbreak, but to unmask the tactics of narcissists, sociopaths, and psychopaths. This isn't fiction. These are not villains in a novel or characters on a screen. These are real people with dark, destructive traits. Narcissism, Machiavellianism, psychopathy, and sadism. And the havoc they sow leaves lifelong scars. While mainstream music romanticizes chaos or even glorifies revenge, survivor music brings voice to the unseen cycles of abuse and the silent aftermath survivors are left to navigate alone. For those who have lived through the illusion of love and are now trying to survive the wreckage it left behind, this music is for you. Because sometimes music speaks what words never could. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and you are listening to Survivor Music.
I trusted the light in your eyes.
What if the person you trusted most looked you in the eye and made you question whether what you remembered being said or done was ever real, or if actually something happened at all? That's gaslighting. It's not just denial, it's deliberate distortion. A psychological strategy designed to break you down by making you doubt your own mind. My song, You Gaslight Me, captured what it feels like to be trapped in that fog, when the lies are still being spoken, but you've started to see through the haze. When clarity starts to flicker, and even if you're still surrounded by smoke. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and this is Survivor Music.
I trusted the light in your eyes, but it blinded me to your lies. You gaslight me, twist reality. You gaslight me, twist reality. The truth in the shadows of a dream you misplaced. Each word you twist, a blade in disguise. Your love's a riddle wrapped in deceit and lies. Now the ground is shifting, I can't find my place. Lost in the smoke and mirrors of your face. Every step I take, I'm caught in your game. Your reflection's hollow, but I'm the one to blame. You gaslight me, twist reality. Turn truth to dust and set it free. I'm breaking through the smoke and mirrors now. Your love's an illusion I won't allow. You wore me down, piece by piece. Your words like chains, I beg for release. Every smile you gave was a loaded gun. I carried the weight of battles you'd already won. gaslight me, twist reality. Set truth to dust and set it free. I'm breaking through the smoke and mirrors now. Your love's an illusion I won't allow. You gaslight me, twist reality.
What if your own mind protected you by hiding the truth, because seeing it would shatter your world? Betrayal blindness is a survival response. Victims don't choose to ignore abuse. They disconnect from it, because awareness would come at a cost too high to bear. Pathological abusers, narcissists, sociopaths, and psychopaths depend on that disconnection. They create dependency, distort trust, and manipulate belief systems so that victims remain in the dark. This is not denial. It's survival under prolonged coercion and control. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and this is Survivor Music.
I told myself it wasn't real. The cuts I couldn't let myself feel. You hid your lies in the cracks of your smile. I stayed blind, walking that line for miles. Your silence spoke louder than words ever could. I held on to safety because I thought I should. You built a lie and I held it near, a fragile truth that would disappear. The deeper I fell, the darker it grew. Each promise I clung to was tied to you. Betrayal blindness, it kept me bound, hiding the truth where it couldn't be found. I'm lost in the dark, but I can't break free. This betrayal keeps its hold on me. Tangled in chains, can't break away. You blurred my sight with the games you played, twisted my love into a tool to stay. I gave my heart just to watch it break, held on to nothing, afraid to escape. You built a lie and I held it near, a fragile truth that would disappear. The deeper I fell, the darker it grew. Each promise I clung to was tied to you. Betrayal blindness, it kept me bound, hiding the truth where it couldn't be found. I'm lost in the dark, but I can't break free. This betrayal keeps its hold on me. Tangled in chains. Can't break away. Betrayal blindness, still holding me.
Imagine what you would say to your younger self if you could prepare them for what they were about to survive. My song, Dear Younger Me, is what I and so many survivors of narcissistic, sociopathic, and psychopathic abuse wish we could say to the person we once were After entering the pathological abusive relationship, you will go through hell and be brought down to your knees. It will take time, but you will make it out, and you will rise again. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and this is Survivor Music.
Girl, you've got dreams that feel so real. You think love will come and heal. The love you found is pulling you low, and the scars won't show till you're far below. You're gonna love him, but he'll turn the key. He'll lock you in a prison you won't even see. His smile will hide the darkest scheme. You'll lose yourself inside the dream. He'll tear your world apart so slow. You won't even realize how far you'll go. You'll hold on tight, try to make it right, but the light inside you'll fade from sight. You'll lose yourself, but I promise you'll find a way back out, though you'll leave things behind. He'll take your nights, your dreams, your peace. He'll take it all, piece by piece. But you'll rise again, even when you're on your knees. You'll endure more than anyone should. 2 decades of doing everything you could. Your baby girl will grow while you're bound, but one day you'll break and turn around. He'll hunt you, rage at what you've done, but girl, you'll see you've only just begun. You'll climb back up from the underflow. Piece by piece you'll learn to let go. You'll lose yourself, but you'll come back stronger. It'll take time, but you won't stay under. He'll haunt your nights, but you'll find your peace. He'll steal your peace, but not for long. And the grip he had will finally cease. You'll see the truth as clear as day. He had no right to make you stay. Your heart, your mind, you'll take them back, rebuilding yourself from every crack. Your daughter didn't see you leave, but one day she'll know and she'll believe. The mother she lost to all the pain is the same woman she'll find again. You'll lose yourself, but you'll come back stronger. It'll take time, but you won't stay under. He'll haunt your nights, but you'll find your peace. And the grip he had will finally cease. I know you're scared and you feel alone, but you'll walk away and reclaim your own. It'll be hard, you'll rage and fight, but you'll rise up, you'll reclaim your light. You'll find yourself again, you'll see, and your daughter will know who you were meant to be. Though you went through hell, you'll stand so tall. You'll break the chains and rise through it all.
You've been listening to Survivor Music with Cindy Ann Pedersen, a joint production with WeResistRadio.com. This SongPod series explores volumes 1 through 3 of Cindy's Survivor Music collection. If you'd like to know more about Cindy Ann Pedersen's work, please go to WeResistRadio.com and click on her featured artist link there.